Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect smoke rings with your hookah. First, ensure your hookah is set up to produce thick, dense smoke. This is crucial for well-defined rings. Take a medium, smooth drag of smoke, filling your mouth but not inhaling into your lungs. Now, form your lips into a small, tight O shape, as if you are about to say the word O. Keep your tongue flat and slightly pulled back. The key to a perfect smoke ring lies in a gentle, controlled throat push. Instead of exhaling with your lungs, use a subtle contraction of your throat muscles to push a small puff of smoke out. Imagine a soft cough or a silent gulp. A quick, slight flick of your tongue, moving from back to front, can also add momentum and shape to your ring. This takes practice to master. Consistency is absolutely vital for producing clear, well-formed smoke rings. Experiment with the size of your lip O and the exact position of your tongue to find what works best for you. A calm, still environment, free from drafts, will significantly help your rings maintain their shape and travel further. Remember, mastering this skill takes patience and many repetitions, so keep practicing and don't get discouraged. Once you've mastered basic rings, you can explore advanced variations. Try pushing one ring through another by quickly following a large ring with a smaller, faster one. You can also use your hand to gently guide or shape the rings as they emerge, adding a unique spin. Some find that a slightly cooler smoke temperature can produce denser, more stable rings. Practicing in front of a mirror is an excellent way to observe and refine your technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.